County, owner of Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. The video that you guys are about to see is quite shocking. I'll tell you, man, I've seen people steal and do all the crazy stuff, but not go to this point as to pulling a gun out and taking somebody's stuff, especially when you're talking about lawn care equipment. Guys, I'll tell you this, it doesn't matter how hardcore you are, it doesn't matter how you feel about certain things. If this situation happens to you guys, let it go, man. Let it go. It doesn't, I mean, to lose your life over $400 and some, it isn't worth it, all right? So take a look at the video and put it in the comment below, guys. There's ways that you have to start securing your equipment, and just be very cautious of where you're mowing and the locations where you're mowing and how you're securing your equipment. Again, take a look.
Calvin Bradley won't leave his yard equipment out in the open now. When he's using his mower, his other stuff stays in the cab. A hard lesson learned July 23rd.
I was making money, making an honest living. And I had a couple of guys take my stuff.
While Bradley was working on someone's lawn in Oak Forest, a man held him at gunpoint to steal his blower. His customer's Ring camera captured the crime.
I thought they were going to take my billfold and my truck, everything.
But what the gunman did get away with was worth about $400. Houston firefighters at Station 65 near Lake Houston saw the ABC 13 story during dinner tonight. Jake Lewis felt Bradley's pain.
I could totally relate. I have a maintenance company, and I just felt bad for him to have a gun put in his face.
So he asked his father to bring one of his blowers to the fire station.
It's an Echo. It's exactly the same what he had. He ain't gonna know the difference.
And we delivered it to Bradley. Here you go.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I really appreciate it.
So the 61-year-old still wants the gunman caught, as well as his getaway driver.
So they might mess up with somebody else and do, next time they might hurt somebody.
For now, he says he'll take good care of his new equipment, donated out of kindness.
I wish him the best of luck.
Jessica Willie, ABC 13 Eyewitness.
This guy did the right thing. He just stood there and watched him take it and say, oh well, life goes on. You know what I mean? If this guy would have jumped and tried to rush him or grab his equipment, he probably would have been shot. Who knows? Lose your life over a piece of equipment? No way in heck. All right, guys, be careful out there. Take care of yourself, take care of your equipment, lock your stuff up. Let me know what you think, guys. Pop Smoke. Peace.